Wool Carpet Guide. One of the oldest and most popular choices is wool carpet. Despite the fact that it will cost a bit more, and need additional care and maintenance than other 100% synthetic alternatives, the benefits of purchasing wool carpet outweigh the extra expense. What are the advantages of wool carpet? 1. Wool is an extremely durable material that can withstand a lot of wear and tear. 2. It is naturally stain resistant and repels dirt, so it will stay looking clean for longer. 3. Wool is hypoallergenic, making it a good choice for people with allergies. 4. Wool is a natural product that is biodegradable and sustainable. 5. Wool carpets are available in a variety of colors, textures, and patterns to match any decor. 6. It provides a sense of luxury to any space. What are the disadvantages of wool carpet? 1. Wool carpets can be more expensive than synthetic options. You can expect to pay about 20 to 30% more for wool carpet than you would for synthetic fiber. 2. Wool carpets require more care and maintenance than other types of carpeting. 3. It can be damaged by moisture. How long will a wool carpet last? Carpets made of wool are the gold standard for excellence and durability. Wool is a durable material that can endure up to 20 years or more, when properly cared for. However, the foot volume and traffic must be considered when maintaining wool. An average lifespan of 8 years may be expected from a low-quality wool carpet. Is wool carpet hard to clean? Wool carpets are highly stain-resistant, which means most dirt and stains can be erased without much effort with water and a spot cleaning spray. Always utilize a mild detergent when cleaning your wool carpet. If you have a wool carpet, you should vacuum it regularly, and have it professionally cleaned at least once a year. Do wool carpets smell? Wool carpets are naturally resistant to odors, and won't trap smells the way synthetic fibers can. However, if your wool carpet becomes wet or damp, it may develop a musty smell. To prevent this, always clean up spills quickly, and dry your carpet thoroughly if it gets wet. Can a wool carpet be steam cleaned? Wool carpets should only be steam cleaned by a professional who knows how to properly handle wool. They are more likely to shrink when exposed to heat, so it is important to use a low heat setting when steam cleaning. They should be dried quickly after they are cleaned, to prevent mold and mildew growth. Is 80% wool carpet good? The 80% wool content gives the carpet a soft, luxurious feel, while the synthetic fibers make it more resistant to staining and wear. This makes 80% wool carpet an excellent choice for high-traffic areas such as living rooms and hallways. In addition, they are typically easier to clean than 100% wool options, making them a low-maintenance choice for busy households. Is wool carpet good for dogs? The natural fibers are tough and durable, standing up to wear and tear from, even, the most active dogs. Wool carpet is a comfortable and practical choice for homes with dogs. How often should you change the carpet in your house? A wool carpet should be changed every 10 years. However, this is only true if the carpet is in perfect condition and has been well cared for. In most cases, wool carpets will last for around 15 years before they need to be replaced. The best way to determine how often to change the carpet is to have it inspected by a professional every few years. If you're looking for an attractive, high-quality carpet that will last for years with minimal upkeep, wool is the way to go. And if you need any help keeping your carpets looking their best, our team of experts at Go Carpet Cleaning is more than happy to assist. Contact us today to schedule a consultation or appointment. Visit our website www.gocarpetcleaning.atlanta.com/about-wool-carpet/ or call us at 678-818-5698.